and welcome to Z Connect. I hope that your new year has begun on a good note. Well, it definitely did for most of us because there really is no place in the world quite like the UAE when it comes to celebrating the new year. This year, we celebrated the New Year across the UAE, especially in Ras Al Khaimah, where we saw some spectacular fireworks light up the skies of Marjan Island, marking 2 Guinness World Records as the world said hello to 2022. If you missed this record-breaking event on 31st December, relive all the action right here on the show with us. Guru Randhawa performed for a cheering crowd with a backdrop of the massive fireworks display at Marjan Island on New Year's Eve. Catch our exclusive chit-chat with the high-rated Gabru right before his concert. Guru, welcome to the UAE. Ras Al Khaimah has welcomed you with some rain.
Oh yeah.
कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ के?
I think जिस भी शहर में जब भी हम जाते हैं, it's always exciting and people welcome us with all the love. और UAE में तो हमेशा बहुत टाइम से मैं आ रहा हूँ, अब 5-6 साल हो गए. I think ये मेरी 100 बार आ गया हूँगा मैं यहाँ पे and it feels like home. And I'm looking forward to do a great show in your city, Ras Al Khaimah tonight.
2021 के लास्ट डे पे आप यहाँ पे हैं फॉर न्यू ईयर्स एंड देयर इज रेन, देयर इज लवली वेदर एंड ऑफ कोर्स दिस ग्रेट इवेंट दैट्स हैपनिंग. तो व्हाट डज द ऑडियंस लुक फॉरवर्ड टू टुनाइट?
आई थिंक आज के दिन के लिए सब वेट करते हैं. एवरीबडी वांट्स टू एंजॉय दिस डे विद द डियर वंस एंड सब अपनी फैमिलीज़ के साथ चिल करते हैं. सब अपने जो फ्रेंड्स होते हैं उनके साथ प्लान्स बनाते हैं. लास्ट ईयर बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड बहुत सारे प्लान्स नहीं बन पाए, बट उससे पहले जो न्यू ईयर्स थे एवरीबडी वाज इन अ डिफरेंट जोन. बट अभी फिर थोड़ा सा खुला है, थोड़े से हालात ठीक हैं, तो एवरीबडी इज़ लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर द परफॉर्मेंस एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. मैंने लास्ट ईयर पूरा कोई कॉन्सर्ट ऐसे करा नहीं है. एक करा था रियाद में, हमने करा था द बैंक टूर, बट उसके अलावा कोई कॉन्सर्ट करा नहीं है हमने. So I'm looking forward to serve good music to the audience tonight, like always, and I hope they all enjoy the show.
Wonderful, wonderful. We all definitely will. मुझे बताइए, you know, I've always seen your lovely pompadour hairstyle and आपको बहुत compliments इसके लिए मिलते होंगे because this is like a style statement in itself जो आपने बनाया है. Compliments मिलते हैं इसके लिए?
Yeah, it's good.
लोग कॉपी भी
I think जो कुछ भी किसी को भी सूट करता हो लाइफ में, उसको वो लाइफ में करना चाहिए. एंड नहीं भी सूट करता हो तो कई बार नई चीज़ ट्राई करनी चाहिए, सूट करती है. एंड आई ऑल्सो while traveling the world I noticed different countries have different hairstyles when it comes to boys, and I picked one of them from the UK, and but now I've changed my hairstyle. Earlier it used to be different, but now I like this look of mine more. So I think thank you everybody अगर आपको मेरा हेयर स्टाइल अच्छा
हमें
लगता
आपका
है.
स्टाइल पूरा टॉप टू हेड टू टो पसंद है पूरी
Thank
तरह
you.
से. सो म्यूज़िक और ये आपकी इतनी अमेजिंग स्टाइल के अलावा आपको पसंद है लग्जरी कार्स.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you love luxury cars. Which one is your favorite?
I think I like every car जिसमें भी बैठ के कहीं से एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा सकते हो.
नहीं 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 लग्जरी कार्स
My favorite I like Bugatti, and we just took the one in the song Nain Bengali. उसमें हमने फीचर करी थी वो कार. But everybody has this love for cars. I think all boys have this love.
Yeah.
Even girls love to be in a nice car. और लड़कियां बॉयफ्रेंड्स भी वो बनाती हैं जिनके पास अच्छी गाड़ियाँ होती हैं. बट आई थिंक लग्जरी कार पसंद करना एक अलग बात है, उसको ख़रीदने के लिए मेहनत करना एक अलग बात है. तो whosoever loves cars and whosoever wants to buy them, I think they should work hard.
Work hard. That's a very good tip you're giving out in the new year. मुझे पता है कि जनरली पंजाबी सिंगर्स जो होते हैं उनका नेक्स्ट स्टेप होता है एक्टिंग. तो ऐसा कोई प्लान है पंजाबी मूवीज़ या बॉलीवुड?
इस साल हम कुछ प्लान कर रहे हैं. वी हैव साइन 2-3 बॉलीवुड मूवीज़ विद एंडमॉल कंपनी. सो उनके साथ अभी प्लान चल रहा है. सो इस साल अगर सब सही रहा, अगर फिर लॉकडाउन ना हुआ, सब कुछ सही चला, तो विल श्योरली start some movies this year.
That's
two
lovely.
movies we will do. Yeah.
Wonderful. मुझे बताइए, you had a collaboration with Pitbull as well. What was that like?
I think to collaborate with such an artist जिसको आप बचपन से देख रहे हो, और he is worldwide, and it's such a pleasure for me to represent my country on that level. He is a lovely guy. He's very inspiring. जो भी वो बोलते हैं उसमें से कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. And I always learn from him. And I love Pitbull sir, and thanks to him for giving me the chance to be on his track.
Lovely. जाते जाते मुझे बताएं, न्यू ईयर के क्या रेजोल्यूशंस बनाए आपने?
I think न्यू ईयर के रेजोल्यूशन ये खुश रहना है, like always, and और मेहनत करनी है, और फैंस के लिए और गाने बनाने हैं, और अच्छा म्यूज़िक सर्व करना है, और अपने मॉम डैड का ख्याल रखना है बस.
That's wonderful. Well, सबके मुंह पे आजकल तो वही गाना है, डांस मेरी रानी, एंड उसका वीडियो, oh my god, that's
Yeah,
so
it's-
beautifully shot. Nora
Yeah.
has done such a fabulous job
Oh yeah,
in it.
yeah,
Yeah,
Nora
बहुत
is.
बड़ी मेहनत लगी थी.
Yeah, it's a great video. It's a great MP3. It's a great song, and everybody's worked very hard. Bosco sir has done great job. Nora has done great job. Everybody's, I think, Tanish, Zara, Bhushan sir, T-Series, myself. We worked hard on this one, and everybody's loving it. So I'll be performing that one for the first time tonight for the
Yes,
audience.
yes.
and
We're
hope for
looking
the
forward
best.
to that.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, Guru. We wish you all the very best for your future projects. But tonight, may it be a rocking concert as
Thank you.
always.
Thank
And
you.
Happy New Year to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Time for a short break, but I'll see you soon with something delicious. Welcome back. After an indulgent holiday season, it is natural to feel a little guilty. Well, that is the story of my life, and I'm sure it's the same with you all as well. To uplift your motivation to eat healthy, here are some healthy food ideas on Pinch of Health today. Check it, try it, and make it a habit to eat right.
Hello viewers, welcome to Pinch of Health. I'm your chef Deepti Pai. This week I'm back with a quick and healthy recipe that I'm very sure even the conscious eaters will definitely go for a second serving. This dish is called spinach oats kebab. So now let's get into the recipe. First, in the blender, I'm going to add the blanched spinach. Here I have about 1 cup of it. To this, I'm going to add half cup of green peas. This green peas is pre-cooked, and now I'm going to blend these two together. So this has blended well together. Now in a mixing bowl, I'm going to take mashed potatoes, about 1 cup. And now to this, I'm going to add the dry roasted oats, about 1 cup. To this, I'm going to add this blend of spinach and peas. And to this, we will add about 4 tablespoons of sweet corn. Again, this is pre-cooked. To this, we'll add 1 teaspoon of Szechuan powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And now I'm going to mix all this together to form a dough-like consistency. So here it is all blended perfectly together. Now I have used Szechuan powder which has enough salt in it, hence I have not added any more. If you're skipping the powder and adding just chili powder, remember to add salt. Now let's roll them into balls and flatten it into kebabs. So here I have about 4 of them ready. Now let's go ahead and cook them. For the crunchy coating, here I have slurry that I have made from cornstarch and some breadcrumbs. Now let's heat the pan. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil on the pan. And while this is getting heated, let's coat our kebabs. So first dip them in the slurry and then coat it in the breadcrumbs. This is nicely coated and let's put it on the pan. I'll be repeating the same thing with the second kebab. So now I'm going to cook this for about 10 minutes. I'll flip it halfway through after 5 minutes. It's about 5 minutes now, so I'm going to flip it and let it cook for 5 minutes on the other side. It has a nice golden brown crunchiness to it. It's about 4 minutes now and this looks perfectly done. So let's switch it off and get to plating. So here I'm using hummus as my dip. You can also use mint chutney or yogurt dip. And I will place some cherry tomatoes on the side for a good presentation. And there it is, a quick healthy snack, spinach oats kebab, which I'm sure you will love. Now for the second dish of the day, I'm making a tropical smoothie. This drink is sugar-free and dairy-free and will perfectly balance out the heat that you're going to get from the main dish. Let's get into the recipe. Now in the blender, I'm going to add 1 cup of pineapple, 1 cup mango, 1 cup banana and some coconut water. And now let's blend this all together. That looks perfectly blended. Now let's go ahead and pour this into our serving glass. As you can see, the consistency of this is perfectly well for a smoothie. Now to give it a boost of healthy omegas, I'm going to add a pinch of chia seeds. Alternatively, you can also add flax seeds. And lastly, I'm just going to garnish it with some chopped mangoes and mint leaf. And let's place a straw. And there you go, my tropical smoothie, which is super refreshing and can be enjoyed during any time of the day, is ready. This is my personal favorite snacking combo. Spinach oats kebab with a nice tropical smoothie. I hope you guys give this a try. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep watching Zee Connect. Let's take a quick recap. For spinach oats kebab, 1 cup blanched spinach, add 1 cup green peas, grind them together. In a bowl, add 1 cup mashed potatoes, 1 cup dry roasted oats, 4 tablespoons of sweet corn, 1 teaspoon Szechuan powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder. Mix all ingredients well. Roll and flatten the dough into kebabs. Dip the kebabs in cornstarch mix. Coat them with breadcrumbs. Now shallow fry on medium heat. Garnish with hummus, tomatoes and mint. For the tropical smoothie, 1 cup of pineapple, 1 cup mango, 1 cup banana, coconut water. Blend this all together. Pour this in our serving glass. Garnish with a pinch of chia seeds and top it with chopped mango and mint leaves.
It's time for a quick break, but we are coming back with another special guest for today right after. Welcome back. It's now time to meet Hari Charan Seshadri, an eminent singer who has lent his voice to many movies. Let's see what he has to say on music, career and life. Hari Charan, welcome to Zee Connect. Welcome to Dubai.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Feels good to be here.
Yeah, and it feels great to have yet another A.R. Rahman live in concert, and you're performing with him once again. Looking forward to it. But tell me, Hari Charan, what is that one thing that A.R. Rahman sir brings out in you as a singer?
It's a lot of things actually. I remember when I was a kid, I've been wanting to meet him at least once, and being a musician, being a singer, and working for him and performing with him has been a dream come true. I feel he constantly pushes different styles which he would want to listen from my voice, because I come from a very humble classical training back home, but he makes me understands different kinds of music, like be it Algerian pop or R&B or soul or jazz or be it Hindustani classical. So I don't know where he gets it all from me, but he just extracts it from all the listening which I do. So
That's wonderful. Tell me, what do you enjoy most, studio recordings or concerts like these?
that's tough, but I would lean more towards live performances.
Yeah, and we've seen you perform like a rocket on stage. You really set the stage on fire.
Thank you, Priya.
There is such an amazing lineup yet again. Is there anyone that you really admire from this lineup that we have? Is there someone that you really enjoy a lot performing alongside?
Me and Jonita have been partners in crime since 2015. We have been performing for Sir, so we have a really special connection. But I think this show, I really have great respect for Hariharan Sir. He's a person who I've really watched since I was a kid, and I've idealized him in whatever he has done. So maybe a lot of respect for him. I love Benny for what he does and how quirky he is on stage. I love Shweta for the perfect 10 that she sings, and there's so much I take from everyone, even Javed Bhai. I love the way he sings with so much devotion. If he sings Kun Faya Kun or Khwaja Ji, so
Yes.
I really
In-
admire
in
them
fa-
all.
In fact, I think each one of you brings something unique when y'all are performing, and every song in a concert like this gives us goosebumps every single time.
It does to me as well.
I'm sure. I'm sure. Any future projects that are coming up? Anything is in the pipeline?
Yeah, with respect to AR sir, or
Whatever in your.
yeah, I've been constantly working even through lockdown. One thing which was never put to stop was studio sessions. Even though we miss live performances, we've been constantly working with composers all around the world, even at least virtually through Zoom. And I've sung a lot of, recorded a lot of songs for movies. Atrangire is the latest one which I've sung for Sir, and it's a beautiful song with Shreya. It's called Tere Rang. And there are a couple of mega Tamil movies which are coming up by Maniratnam sir, and some interesting music coming out as well, non-film wise. So
Okay, perfect.
excited for all that.
We are very excited for that as well. But before we let you go, we obviously want to hear a couple of lines from you, from any song, any of your favorite songs or whatever we are going to experience at the concert. Maybe just like a teaser for us.
I'll sing my latest one from Atrangire.
Done.
मुरली की ये धुन सुन राधिके, मुरली की ये धुन सुन राधिके, मुरली की ये धुन सुन राधिके, धुन सांस सांस में बुन के, धुन सांस सांस में बुन के, कर दे प्रेम का प्रीत का मोह का शगुन, मुरली की ये धुन सुन राधिके.
So beautiful and so effortless, Haricharan. It's
Thank you.
so nice.
Thanks,
Thank you
Priya.
so much for talking to us.
Thanks. Pleasure's all mine. Thanks.
That's all for this episode, but I'm going to bring you many more interesting stories next Sunday, so don't forget to join us back, and do stay connected with us on our social media handles mentioned below. Take care, and I'll see you soon.